Confirming contact. The anomaly is significantly larger than anticipated.
Resting silently on the abyssal plain, this massive container represents a mystery of profound significance.
Control, this is deck. Rigging secured on the starboard side.
Copy that, deck. Crane, begin slow ascent. We have surface breach. The container is secure.
Roger that. Well done, team.
The journey across the open ocean is complete. Now, the crucial phase begins at this massive industrial hub.
Coming down steady on the strong point. Confirming approach to the recovery container. Prepare for attachment.
Easy, easy. Bring it down slow. All right, hold it there. Land it. Secured.
We're clear for docking sequence Gamma. The projections look stable.
Confirmed. Advise the driver to proceed slowly.
Check the thermal readings on the lower right quadrant.
Already on it, looks stable at 25 Celsius.
The AR is highlighting significant degradation right here.
Yes, this confirms a hairline fracture on panel Gamma.
Red here means replacement is critical.
Yes, noted. We'll schedule the repair for the yellow sections next week.
Sorensen, we need to isolate the primary conduit here before attempting the main breach.
Agreed. The structural integrity in this quadrant is compromised.
Ensure the seal is tight around the base.
Confirmed. Moving to the instrumentation.
The clearance on the left side is only 3 inches.
Yep. We have to secure the strapping points before the lift.
All right, easy lift, keep it centered.
Clear on this side.
After all this time, we finally got her.
Siggies. The corrosion on the handlebars is extensive.
Look at the chain, completely seized. We need to document the exact depth of this.
All right, secure the front strap now.
Got it. Tension looks good on this side.
Ready for the lift sequence?
The readings on the engine block are inconsistent.
Did you scan the primary intake valve yet?
Bike 4 data is uploading now.
Red bin for the fairings.
Got it. Are the harnesses ready for the blue bin?
Almost. Watch the engine hoist.
Checking Sector 4, leading edge. No anomalies detected. Moving to the route.
Check the pressure sensor on manifold 2.
Secured. Data link established.
We have full alignment on the front section.
Confirmed. Lock the jig.
Yeah, okay.
Lock the jig. A little to the left. Steady now.
Got it. Looks aligned.
Secure the front mounts. Check the alignment on the left side. Looks good. Applying torque now.
Align the pivot bolt precisely there.
Okay, applying the final torque now. 75 Newton meters.
absolutely flawless. I couldn't be happier with the performance. All the hard work paid off. It's perfect.